thus far we have learned how to send a request and how to save this request to our Postman API collection. So now the question arises that, but where do we need to keep all those collections? We need some space. Where can we what can we do that? How can we maintain that isolation of projects? One project should be isolated with the other project in API. How can we do that? The answer for this question is Postman workspaces. Okay, so Postman workspaces enable you to organize and work together on API projects with your team. Within each workspaces, again, you can have a lot of options like share APIs, collections, environments, and other Postman elements. When you first open Postman, so you will be in your default personal workspace. You can create more workspaces for your personal use if it is required. You should see that these are my workspaces, and so two workspaces we have: my workspace and track workspace. Okay, so then if you want, we can create as many workspaces as possible. So what will we do is to we'll create our first workspace, and we will name the workspace, and we'll choose the workspace visibility also. Let's get into the action. So first, let me click on select let me click on this workspaces menu item on the header. So here in this, we have to select a create workspace to add a new workspace. So we can also search for the existing workspaces using the search bar that you can see on the left portion of this window, and or else we can simply create a new workspace, whichever is fine. So I'll click on this new workspace, click on create new workspace, then it will take you to the new page. So that's a create workspace page. So here we have to enter a name and optional summary for our workspace. So the name of the workspace is API exploring multiverse, API exploring universe. That's what the name of the workspace. And summary, I'll mention the summary of the workspace. So here we means all of you and me. So we will learn and try various Postman functionalities in this universe. And let's choose a visibility now. So visibility determines who can access this workspace. So let me select that visibility, which I'll go with a public, so that everybody can view. So we have few options in visibility. A personal workspace is visible only to you, only for us. So, and we have a private workspace, second one. So a private workspace is only visible to you and to any team members you have given an invite, and we have a team, so all team members can access it, and we have a public workspace which is uh, visible to all postman users, whether you have any connection with that postman user or not. Okay, and they got with the new uh, option in this, that's the partner. So partner is only invited partners and team members can access. There's a new option that we got it, this is there recently, you see that. Absolutely new one, that's only for the enterprise versions. Okay, so now all done, all set. Now it's time to create a workspace. Let me click on create workspace. So that's it. So this is what our workspace, and it consists of a API exploring universe, the name of the workspace, and description of the workspace. So now in this, what we are going to do is we will create our first ever collection in our universe, in our API universe. So to do that, let me click on create collection. So the new collection, this is universe planet 1. That's the collection name. So planet 1, I'd say earth, that would be better. So universe earth collection. So this is what the new collection. So that's it, the collection has been made. So now inside that, if you want to create a new request, just come down here, click on three dot icon, that's a view more icons, view more actions, and then you can create your request. Okay, just click on this and click on add a request, and you just copy paste the request uh, respective collection here, respective request here, and then you send a request. Okay, so for now I did not name it, so I'll keep it like that. So when we get back to this, we will create, or we can use the same request, and we will send a request. Okay, and we will save that request to this collection, so that we can complete we can just complete uh, creating a workspace, creating a collection, and creating a request. That's what the main flow of postman. So that's the reason. Okay, I will type it. So we'll go with that postman and echo.com / we'll use just get, and this is our new request. I'll give that, this is entity 1. This is our request 1, entity 1, which gets, entity 1 gets. So let me click on send, and here is the response. That's it. With that, we have successfully created a workspace. Inside that workspace, we have created a collection. Inside that collection, we have sent our first request, or we have called our first API.